Hi, I'm Beth from Restyle Pieces Boutique. Today's Makeover Minutes is on how to take a simple glass vase and make it into a colored, textured, beautiful stone look. So if you want to watch this makeover, stay tuned. So there's all the materials I am using today. Rustoleum 2x Ultra Cover, paint and primer, and this is in the color Satin Heirloom White. It's an off-white. You can use other colors as your base color. And then for the stone, I'm using Rustoleum American Accent Stone Textured Finish, and that is in Stone Pebble. It's called Pebble. There are different colors of this as well. So I also have some alcohol, and then I have a 220 or so little sponge that I can get. In this vase, I have some details and little crevices, so I want to make sure I get in those. So the first thing I'm going to do is to sand that off just a little bit to rough up that surface. Now you're saying, well, it's glass, it's not wood, but you still need to rough up your surface before you add your paint. So something happened and I missed this part, but I did wipe it off with a rag and the alcohol to get all that dust off and to just clean off that surface really well. So I'm taking my base color, which is the Heirloom White, Satin Heirloom White, and I'm just spraying a light coat over the piece. I just want to make sure it's covered nicely or pretty well. It doesn't have to be super thick. You don't want it super thick. Just get it covered and you'll have a good base. So this is paint and primer in one. So now I've let that dry about, I think I let it dry about 20 minutes. And then I'm adding the Pebble Texture spray on that. And I did it a little bit thick, but I'm going to do 2 coats. So you could go a little bit thinner on this first coat, but I don't know. I just went for it. It looks a little gooey and it's definitely textured and pebbly looking. And then I'm gonna let that dry for about 20 minutes until it sets up. Now, if you touch it, it's going to smear, and so you don't wanna do that. Even if it's only 20 minutes and you're ready for your second coat, you really don't wanna touch it because it takes it a long time to not smear. So I'm just picking that up so I can get the underside there of that detail near the bottom, and I'm just giving it a second coat. I just was needing a little break from painting something that takes so long, like furniture. So I thought this is a cool little craft. I'm still painting and having some fun with it, and it's going to turn out just beautiful. I had done this one other time with a little bit smaller vase with not much details on it, and I'm going to show you that one. I didn't do as many coats and as thick on that vase on the right, but look at the difference. Look at the vase on the left. You can also do this on pots, like this plastic pot. You could clean it up real well and then do the same thing. Here's all the different colors. If you have it outside, especially, you want to make sure you use a sealer on it. Hope you try this, and if you do, please share it with me. Thanks so much for watching today. If you would like to subscribe to my channel, I would really appreciate it. It's just like following. It doesn't cost you anything, but if you hit that bell button too, you will get notified when new videos come out. So I will see you next time. Bye-bye.